Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying eligibility, age 18 to 50 and local domicile. Have originals and 2 photocopies of Aadhaar, 10th mark sheet, passport photos, and medical certificate. This saves time at counter. Once done, measure your height and chest, check vision. These matter for selection. Then, visit the designated district office or official portal to note application windows. This ensures you apply in the correct recruitment cycle. Make sure documents are clear and legible to avoid immediate rejection. You now fill the application online. Create an account using a working mobile number and email because OTPs are mandatory. Enter personal, educational, and service details carefully. Small mistakes cause disqualification. Upload scanned documents in required formats and sizes. Compress images if upload fails. Once uploaded, pay the fee if applicable, and download the generated receipt. Keep the acknowledgement number safe. You will need it for admit card and protest letters. If you prefer, you can submit physically at the recruitment office with the same packet. You complete selection by attending the written and physical tests on the admit card date. Bring originals and printed admit card. Perform well in the physical. Practice beforehand to avoid failures. After passing, undergo medical exam and document verification. This is the final hurdle, so clarify any mismatch on the spot. Once cleared, receive joining orders and training dates. Troubleshooting tip: if your name or DOB differs, present secondary ID, and file a written correction, request immediately with the recruitment office to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.